Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can find someone on Facebook using their phone number. So first you want to add the person's phone number or save their phone number on your contacts on your phone. After you save their number, what you need to do is open Facebook and click on menu. From over here, click on setting at the top right of your screen, and from inside over here, click on see more in account center. And once you're inside account center, you want to click on your information and permissions. From over here, choose the last option, upload contacts, and then choose your Facebook account. So over here at the top right corner, turn on upload contacts. Click on continue, click on OK. And what you have done is you have just given Facebook the permission to access your phone's contact. Once you do that, all the people who's on your contact and who has made a Facebook account using that number is going to be displayed over here just like this. Now you can just click on add friend and add that person. So all the people who are in my contact and who has created a Facebook using their phone number is being shown over here. So that is how you guys can find someone's Facebook by phone number. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.